What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to prevent applications from automatically starting up on macOS. To prevent apps from automatically launching, open up your system settings. On this window, head to the General section and click on Login Items. In the Open at Login window, you'll see a list of applications that will automatically launch once you boot up your Mac. To remove apps from this list, in this case the Mail app, make sure it's selected and then click on the minus button just below. The next time you boot up your Mac, this app will not launch automatically. Below, you'll see a list of apps that are allowed to run in the background, such as your cleanup tool, printer software, VPN, or Microsoft Teams. Disable apps that you don't use frequently. If you still suspect that some apps launch on startup, then locate the application in your dock or the app folder and right-click it. Select Options and then toggle the Open at Login option off. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.